Then comes the assessment of evidence. It has two grounds, credibility and reliability, and second is weightage. The tribunal of fact shall assess the credibility and reliability of witnesses. Credibility means how much honest a witness is. Like, could the witness be trusted in the court of law? The second one is reliability. How much accurate the witness is shall decide the reliability of the witness, that whatever he is saying is whether true or not, and how much accurate he is telling. The credibility is often used to mean reliability, so one has to be really careful in the court of law. The second ground of assessment of evidence is the weightage. For evidence to decide the decision of the case, for evidence to give the reasonable ground for the court to give a decision on that evidence, it should have mammoth kind of weightage. The weightage of piece of evidence refers to any of the following. The first thing that due weightage or mammoth weightage of the evidence shall need to have is the degree to which it helps prove the material fact. Like how much percentage of it helps to prove the facts of the case in hand. And the degree to which it is credible, like how much the person who is saying is honest about his testimony. And the third ground of weightage, of having a mammoth weightage of the case in hand regarding the evidence, is the reliability, the degree to which it is reliable.